Hey guys, Hector here. So tonight I decided to get rid of this chrome trim around the doors. Instead of doing it with vinyl wrap, I decided to use Plasti Dip. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it. I already cleaned the trim really well. I'm going to use some blue tape, maybe some tape and drape. To get rid of this chrome and just do it all black. So let's get to it. Okay, so the door trim has this rubber piece around it. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna mask off about an inch up all the way around the trim, and I'm gonna cover this. I'm not gonna Plasti Dip this part either because it's already black. So I had questions whether or not to cover this or not, or to maybe somehow take off the trim or do a vinyl wrap, but I decided let's do the Plasti Dip because it should be easier, I figure. And I'm just going to leave this intact. I'm going to cover the window, cover this piece with plastic so it doesn't get any spray. Of course, chrome black this out as well. Alright guys, so you see, I have it all draped off. Now I'm just gonna start spraying. So I just sprayed the last coat. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the tape and see how it looks in the morning. Alright guys, so this is the end product of Plasti Dipping the door trim on my Infiniti G37. This is my first time using the product, so I don't have any experience at all using it. What I do, the tips that I would have to tell you guys is, if you're going to do this project on your Infiniti, you could tape from the inside out so that when you go to peel it, it's a lot easier to peel. Yeah, and to spray thick coats so that when you take off the tape, you don't have little pieces that you need to clean up. Another piece of advice is to remove the tape as soon as you finish applying the last coat. Don't wait until it's completely dry to remove the masking tape and the plastic. Also, make sure you cover as much area as possible, because even though I'm in my garage and there's not a lot of wind or anything like that, I still had some overspray. So cover as much of the car as you can, because you'll find even in the trunk back here, when you touch it, there's Plasti Dip back there. Alright guys, so it's the morning after, and this is how the trim came out. I am pretty happy how it looks, considering how long it took to do it. Lessons learned: I would remove the tape and the trim as soon as you apply the last layer, and I would tape from the inside going out. And also, as soon as you're done with the wet layer, open the door so that this rubber piece does not stick to the door. So I did it on the other side, and check it out. So this one I removed while it was still wet, and to me it came out better than on the other side. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you like all the other videos, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all the love and support. Thanks guys. Peace.